Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon in billet silver. With LED reflector headlamps, LED front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, FALCON performance shocks, cab and bed steel rock rails, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 6,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, 4 programmable auxiliary switches, rear armrest with cup holders, cargo management group with trail rail system, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5476A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.